Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to stop the autoplay on the SoundCloud website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow the tutorial steps. So of course, in my case, I'm actually using here Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser such as Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Edge, I don't know, Firefox, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you, right? Anyway, then you would like just to go here to the URL and type soundcloud.com and hit the enter button. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and log in into your account. If you don't have an account, don't panic or anything, just go and create your account. You can even create it by your Gmail or Facebook if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So of course, after logging into your account, this will actually be your home or your main screen, and you may have here different songs, tracks, artists depending on your account, of course. And if you want to stop the autoplay on the SoundCloud website, so let me just go to the other tab that I have actually music running into it. So here is the other tab that I have music running into it. So as you can see, let me just stop the track first of all. So if you want to stop the autoplay, all you need to do, so if you have the autoplay, of course, if you have the autoplay of the same song, you will have this option available with orange and with one icon right here. So if you have the autoplay of the whole playlist, you will find this option in orange without the one right there. But if you want to disable the autoplay at all, you don't want to listen to the playlist over and over or on the song over and over, all you need to do, just turn off this option and make sure to all of these options are on gray. Of course, those are like known. That will stop, that will go to the next track, that will go to the previous one, all the first of the track, that will just shuffle the track off if you are using a playlist, and that will actually stop the repeats if it's on black. Of course, if it's right here, it will repeat the song. If it's right here, it will repeat the whole playlist over and over. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.